You found this video for a reason, guys. Without wasting any time, let's just get right into it, and let's see what messages do I have for you today. The very channel message that I have for you right away is that sometimes learning the lessons and knowing the importance of things and situations that are reoccurring in our life, which are happening again and again in our life, is way more important than moving forward. Because even if you're moving forward, but if you're empty, but if you don't know the lessons necessary in order to crack the next level of your life, you are not going to be satisfied and happy in the next chapter of your life as well. And that's why taking things slow, learning the lessons, and then moving forward makes so much sense than just thinking about how to move forward, how to do things, and how to just get ahead in life. I think quality is more important than the quantity. So focus on how much nicely you're taking care of yourself and how much lessons you're learning, not about how fast you're moving forward without comparing your life with other people, right? So yeah, I think let's just pull out some cards and let's see what else do I have for you guys. Four of Cups. If you guys are unhappy right now, if you guys are unhappy right now just because you want to move forward in life, just because so basically I do see unhappiness, I do see dissatisfaction. You're not satisfied with what you have in life right now because you're thinking about something else, because you're looking for something else in life, and whatever you have in your life right now is not fulfilling you. This can be a person, this can be a relationship, this can just be like the communication and the conversations that you're having with your person on an intellectual level or on a emotional level. I think you guys are not really satisfied with what you have right now. And okay, you want something new, you want to experience something new, you want the new beginning. Oh my god, we literally have the death and the new beginning. You want to end something. Either this is energy, this is a phase, this is a situation, relationship, job, whatever it is. You're not happy with something that you have in your life right now, and that's why you're looking for something else in life. Even if you have like a whole full foundation of things, even if you have like everything sorted out in your current lifestyle, you're still thinking about something else, and you want to end everything that you have right now. You want to let it go and you want a new beginning in life. Whether it's when it comes to your relation, whatever it is, take it how it resonates, because this is going to be different for everybody, because this is a general reading. But you want to end something because you're not satisfied in your current reality, and you want a new beginning when it comes to your emotional stability, right? And something about the conversations and communication is coming in. I don't know what that is about, you will know better. But you don't want to end things on a harsh note. I think you want to end things on a very like good note. It's like, I don't want to fight with the other person, I don't want them to feel bad, I don't want to hurt them, but I definitely do want to move forward, because this is blocking my growth, this is blocking my creativity, this is blocking who I am as a person, and this is not right for me, and that's why I want to move on, that's why I want to move forward, because this is no, yeah, see, literally the 8 of Cups and the 6 of Cups in reverse. Oh my god. I mean, even if you did something bad to this person, it's like, but it's okay. Like, I want to move forward with life. I want to move forward with my life because I want more out of my life, because I deserve more out of my life, and there is nothing wrong in that. If the people are telling you, if a person is telling you, but you promised me the world and now you want to let go of me, that's fine. People do change. We do change. And I think everybody has the opportunity and chance to move forward and get what they deserve and get what they desire in their life, because it's your life, right? You're definitely not happy in a situation, or somebody else is not, but I feel like this is your energy, the people who are watching this, and that's why you want to walk away. You literally want to walk away, either from a person, situation, take it out, that resonates, right? But let's pull out some more cards and let's see. Let's see, what does the person watching this need to know? careless. Somebody might feel like you're careless, or you're worried that people might think that you're careless, and that's why you're people pleasing. Okay, now I get it. You don't want people, you don't want, I'll tell you something what is happening with you guys. You guys are bossing up, you guys are realizing your worth, you guys are starting to love yourself, and you guys are starting to realize what you genuinely desire and deserve, even if it's out of a relationship or a job or a family situation. You guys are starting to love yourself, you guys are realizing your worth, and you want better things for yourself. But you're afraid that if you leave a certain person, a certain situation, or a certain group of people, or a certain way of living, a lifestyle, people are going to hold grudge against you. And that's why you're people pleasing them, so that people don't think that you are careless. So you care a lot about what other people are going to say, what other people are going to think. But this is your advice, to not think about it, because it's your life. You get and you deserve to live the life on your own terms. You don't have to listen to any freaking body. You don't have to care about what other people have to say, what other people are going to say and think and do about you. Let them think that you're careless. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You guys are really scared of what other people might say if you leave them. You guys are scared of what other, like, you are sad, or you're scared to make other people feel sad. And but it's taking your energy, it's draining you, and it's not gonna happen. What I do see happening in the near future is that if you don't build up the courage to walk away from the things and people who are no longer serving you, the universe will step in, the divine intervention will step in, and they will step in and remove certain people, situation, whatever it is that you want to walk away from, will remove those people and things from your life without you making the move. 717, I saw that. Because enough is enough. You don't have to take the burden of other people's happiness. Other people's emotions are not your responsibility. If nobody told you that yet, other people's emotions, other people's feelings, and how they're reacting to a certain thing, it's not your responsibility, it's their responsibility. You got your own back, you have to get your own back, and you are responsible for your own responsibility, for your own emotions and how you react to things, and not the other people. So let other people be, let them think whatever they have to think, because it's their life, they can think whatever they want. But it's your life, and it is your responsibility to do whatever you want out of your life, because it's your life. And if you don't do it, nobody is gonna come and make you do it, right? So love yourself. You don't have to think about what other people are going to say, what other people are going to think. And I think just move forward in a direction of self-love and what you want to do in life, because regardless, you cannot make everybody happy all the time. People are going to feel or think in a certain way about you, and that's fine. Maybe that's necessary for their journey. Because imagine if everybody liked you, everybody would want to be in your life, and that's not possible. Some people will have to hate you in order to stay away from your life, because they are not meant to be in your life, because there is somebody better, right? So let people be, let things be, let it be, like let life be, let life be, let people be themselves. And you're not responsible for anybody else's responsibility, anybody else's emotions. You be you, you do you. I think yeah, I think let's just pull out some more cards. Let me just keep them aside. What does the person watching this need to know? One card at a time, please. This is the time when you get out of your shell. This is the time when you be yourself. This is the time when you go propose. This is the time when you work on yourself. This is the time when you release your negativity and expectations. This is the time when you say when you are not happy in a relationship, in a marriage, in a commitment. And this is the time when enough is enough. You don't need more time to think, because you already know what is right and what is not right for you. You're just delaying the procedure, you're just delaying the decision, because you're scared of what other people are going to say and think about it. Even if it's surrounding a divorce, go and say it. go and say it, because it's your life. You don't have to think about your in-laws, your family and all that stuff, because they are not living your life, right? This is the time when you come out of your shell, be yourself, speak for yourself, work on yourself, work on the relationship that you want. This is the time when you come out of your shell, because you have spent enough time with yourself, you have spent enough time being lonely, being alone, and now this is kicking you. Like, this isolation is making you feel lonely. This is making you feel like there is nobody that loves you. It's making you feel like there is nobody that understands you. This is the time when you do the 50% and let the rest of the world do their part. You do you. You do you, guys. Because you have thought about it enough. It's not that you need to think about it, or maybe I'm gonna think maybe 15 days more, I'm gonna take my time and I'm then gonna decide. No, you've taken your time, you've done it. Now is the time when you do it. When now is the time when you get the relationship of your dreams, the job of your dream, the business of your dream, the house of your dreams, whatever it is. Take it how that resonates. Some of you it's car, the car of your dreams. And this is the time when you literally, the death and the 8 of cups, this is this is not a joke. This is the time when you walk away. 11 as I said that, oh my god. This is the time when you embrace your destiny. This is the time when you do what you love and end the things that you no longer want in your life, who are not serving you anymore, and you go towards the things that you genuinely want. And you have thought enough about these things, you have thought enough about all of this. Now is the time when you walk away. Now is the time when you make the decision. Now is the time. Otherwise, the divine intervention is going to happen. The universe is going to step in and things are going to go out of your control. Because I think you guys like to control a lot. The universe, this is a very specific message. The universe do not want you to think about what is going to happen if you walk away. Do not think about the consequences of you walking away from certain things. You don't have to think about what other people are going to feel, think, or say when you do the things that you love. Because this is the time when you embrace your destiny. This is the time when you think about yourself and not other people. 1221, as I said that. This is the time when you think about yourself and not the other people, guys. This is not your responsibility, this is not your job. And I feel a very irritated energy from your spirit team. Your spirit team and angels are really angry at you, because they are like, it's not your freaking job to think of what other people are going to say and think about you. This is not your freaking job to think what other people are going to think about yourself, because nobody is going to come and think about you. Damn it. This is not me. I'm just a medium, I'm just a source. Please do not. It's not me, it's your spirit team. They're like, it's not your job, it's not your freaking job to think what other people are going to say. Just think about yourself. But because nobody is gonna think, because nobody is gonna come and think about you. So think about yourself. And don't cry when you say that, but nobody's gonna think about me, nobody's thinking about me, nobody loves me, because you don't love yourself. You're not thinking about your own self, right? I think I would like to end it here. I have a lot more messages coming up, but I'm just gonna make a part 2 if I feel like doing it. I think that's all that I have for you guys for today. And I'm just a messenger, I'm just a source. I just channel messages. So yeah, don't take it offensively. For personal readings, guys, you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. Subscribe to my other channels. Subscribe to my this channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.